In today's video, I'll show you how to format a Windows 10 laptop safely, step by step, in a way that's easy to understand, even if you've never done this before. Formatting your laptop is a good option if your system feels slow, has software issues, or you simply want a fresh start. Just remember, formatting can erase data, so following the steps carefully is very important. Let's begin. Click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the main system options. Inside Settings, click on Update and Security. Next, select Recovery from the menu on the left. On this page, you'll see an option called Reset this PC. Click the Get Started button to continue. Now Windows will ask how you want to reset your laptop. You'll see two choices. The first option is Keep My Files. This removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files, like documents and pictures. The second option is Remove Everything. This deletes all files, apps, and settings, giving you a completely clean system. Before choosing, make sure you've backed up any important files to an external drive or cloud storage. This step is very important if you plan to remove everything. After selecting your option, follow the on-screen instructions. Windows will confirm your choices and then begin the reset process. Your laptop may restart several times during this step, which is normal. The reset can take some time, so be patient and do not turn off your laptop while it's working. Once the process is complete, your Windows 10 laptop will start fresh and feel like new. And that's how to format a Windows 10 laptop. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.